Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? It's finally here on the channel. I know it's been out for a very, very long time, but today we're going to take a look at Cold Steel's Spartan. And I guess if you really want to get into it, there's the rest of it. Number 21st. But still. Alright, there's the back of the box for everyone who likes to see it. And there we go. Okay. Yeah, so I've been putting off buying this bad boy for a while because I kept seeing it at like almost a $200 range, $150 range. Then all of a sudden I caught it on a sale on Amazon and I went, add to cart, gimme right now. Oh man. This thing is ginormous. It fits in my hand really, really well. And it's got just that great, that badass look to it for a blade. I mean, that's the only way I can put it. It reminds me of an ancient sword, and I'm going to get there in a moment, because basically, it's exactly what it is, but with a different kind of design. But alright, let's get into the fun stuff. I do like the black on stonewash finish. You guys know me, you know how I love that stonewash. There's just something about this that just screams, don't mess with me, and I know what I'm doing with the blade. I do love the really huge oversized thumb paddle, and at one point it almost became a wave opener. Seriously, pulling it out of my pocket, my pants caught, it started to open. I'm like, this is going to go bad. But still, this is an Andrew Demko design. It has an overall length to it of 10.5 inches. The blade's 4.5 and obviously closed at 6 inches. It's got a pretty big weight to it of 9.14 ounces. You will feel this in your pocket. Trust me. We do have a plain edge. Yeah. With a flat grind and a stonewash finish. Now, it's done in a kukri style design, which basically made it into a folding kopis that's been kind of pared down. So basically, if you think the movie 300, the swords the Spartans were using, there you go. It's basically a mini one of those sitting right there. The blade steel is AUS 10A. Now, the scales on this thing are Griv X polymer scales. So it gives you a really good feel, and I love how they did this. It just kind of envelops your hand and makes it really easy when you're holding it. I really haven't developed any hot spots whatsoever. Now, it does have what's called the triad lockback system. Lockbacks are really freaking cool because it just gets in there and it just holds that blade in place. I just probably woke my kids up, but still, I don't care. As I showed you earlier, it does have that humongous thumb paddle up there. And as you can see, kind of on the inside, we do have a stainless kind of frame securing that. There is basically two ways to carry it. And what I really loved is Cold Steel. Oops. Oh, of course, it fell out of the package. And I have to find that other screw. But okay, they basically gave you the other pocket clip, so when you switch them out, you actually have to switch out the pocket clips. Aha, sorry, found the screw. One moment, guys. I know, you're like, dead. Alright, it's got this really cool lanyard hole down the bottom, which makes it great for pulling it out of your pocket. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is made in Taiwan. Alright, let's get to the fun stuff. Let's do some cut tests, okay? And if you're curious why I'm going to do these cut tests, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. Heavy duty stock paper, which is kind of coming to the end of its life. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can get a curlicue. I'll take it. Not a lot of snowfall on the blade. Damn, they did a good job prepping that thing. Seriously, they did. The reason why I try to get these curlicues is anybody can grab a piece of paper and go, sharp, sharp. But if you drag it across nice and slow, maintain your edge, watch it to your edge angle. Alright, whatever. You should get one of those. Yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm a little excited to finally have it and finally be reviewing it. Alright, I know this paracord's different than the ones we've usually been using, so hopefully we're going to have a much better pull test. So let's go right there. Yep, not that big a difficulty as I've been having before. a paracord. Let's go with a slice. Much better cuts, too. And yes, the newly reborn Mr. Ratchet Strap is with us. Alright, bud. Yeah. Through it, no problem. As we usually do. Really don't see any issues with the blade. No real fuzzies on it, which means it's really nice and sharpened up beautifully. Okay. So I did the homework and all the good, fun stuff on that on 4/27/21, and I'm filming this video on 4/28/21. I found it on Amazon, Cold Steel, and Blade HQ. Amazon, it's basically $60, and it is Prime eligible. Cold Steel, it's $129.99, and it is currently out of stock. On Blade HQ, it's $79.95. It's been reviewed 22 times on Blade HQ, and it's got a 4 3/4 out of 5-star rating. Hasn't been reviewed once on Cold Steel, and over on Amazon, it's been reviewed 377 times for a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. Now, let's have some fun. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I'm on the nice side, really. This thing is freaking amazing. I love it. But still. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose, my video. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see how we can put that to use in a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot. Sorry, guys. Take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, that's right, you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Cold Steel Spartan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, an incredible day, a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.